Hey guys, let's see how we can solve this administrator certification maintenance spring 2024. Yeah, so altogether we have two modules in this one, which is maintain your administrator certification for spring 2024 and get hands-on with the related object fields or the dynamic forms. Let's go get started with this one. Let's solve these two modules and gain the badge and just solve and let's gain the certification. Not let's maintain that the certification doesn't expire. And the first module just involves the topics. What you can see, it's check the integrity of your certification, use dynamic actions with standard objects modules on mobiles, intelligence view, and view lead activity engagement metrics and insights. See which contacts are engaging and view insights. Get a few or full view of the accountability. And after that is the quiz, which we are going to complete. This is the essential one for you to complete this maintenance module, which feature allows an admin to set filters based on user fields so that the specific actions are visible only to certain users. It's a dynamic actions. And for the second one, which type of view is now available for leads, contacts, and accounts? So it's the intelligence. And after turning on the lead intelligence view, what additional step must an admin take for users to see it? It is add the intelligence view button to the lead list view in setup. How does a user return to the original list view from the contact intelligence view? It is click on the list view in the button menu. Option B. And in the account intelligence view, how does a you, user view the insights on an account? It is option B. Click on the icon beside a record name, open the side panel and view all available insights. It's option B. And here today we have finished our quiz. Let's go and check like we answered all questions correctly and let's earn the points. Yeah, we answered all the questions correctly and we gained the full points, 100 points for this module 1. And let's tackle the next unit, which is challenge, where we are supposed to create contact form, lightning contact form, and do the necessary setups in that. So yeah. So let's go and finish up the challenge. So as you can read out the tutorial and you can get familiar with what are the new components being added with this maintenance Spring 24. And those are the Lightning Web App Builder and leads, contact and accounts forms, which we got those features as the new options in this maintenance module. As you can see, the topics and related helpful links are being shared here in the resources topics. Let's go on to the hands-on challenge, what we need to do. So these are the things we need to create and set up with this challenge. Let's create the playground first and click on the create a new playground over here. Here the playground is being created and let's launch that playground to do the challenge. Involves opening and yeah, let's go to the setup in this playground and click on the setup and let's search for lightning in the quick find search bar, lightning, and select the lightning app builder. Yeah, this page will open up and let's click on new and It's been asked like we need to create a new contact page, record page. Let's go to the challenge and check what's been asked. Yeah, so custom create contact lightning record page. Let's create a new record page with the name what they have given. Yeah, we need to create a record name exactly with the name what's been given, and let's select the record page first and click on new, provide the label. So the label name is contact record page, and by default the API name will be provided with the underscore with the naming conventions with Salesforce. And let's select the contact object since we are going to create the contact record page, and hit on the next button. And as you can see, you not make any changes, just grouped header and one region, select that and click on the done. And now the new record page has got created, and you can drag on the components. Just scroll down and check for record details. So we are going to add on, modify the record details with the existing record details layout. And yeah, so now like we just added the record detail layout to the new page component record page which we created. And let's click on the fields from the left side panel and go and click on the account name, and then scroll down and search for the what's been asked here, record detail component in the contact layout. And yeah, we have upgraded the record detail component. We need to update the record detail component. We do have this on the right hand side, the upgrade. Now let's upgrade that to have the dynamic forms. Yeah, that's the essential one what we have to do, and click on the next button, click on the contact layout and click on finish. Yeah, now the layout has been updated, and as you can see we have the contact information. And what's the last step we need to do here? We need to drag the field annual review from account and place it under the lead source field. As you can see, we have the lead source field, and we have already shifted to the fields tab and clicked on the account object, and over here we need to drag and drop the annual review field. Let's search for the annual review field. Annual revenue field, and we can search here also annual. Yeah, here we got the annual revenue field. Just drag and drop and place it under the lead source. It's been added. As you can see, lead source, and at that we have added the annual revenue field. And what we have to do, save and activate the organization as the default. Saving the contact record which I just created, and click on activate button, which is going to activate our record. And just scroll down and click on assign as organization default and be on desktop, and click on the next button. And ta-da, that's it. Just save the page and save you once again. Yeah, we are all done with the challenge. Let's go and check challenge. Check challenge. Woohoo! Yeah, we have completed the challenge, and we gained the we completed it on the first attempt. That's so cool. And that's how like we came to the end of this certification maintenance tutorial. I hope this video will help you to finish off the maintenance certification. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and just put a thumbs up on my video. Thank you. Bye.